Hey everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I'm really excited to share with you my first time using the Impress Art metal stamping kit. So this is one of the gifts I got for my birthday. So I want to open that for you and show you again what comes with the kit that I got. I got this off Craft Day at HSN. So this is the Impress Art metal stamping kit. And you get all of this. You get the metal stamping hammer, the uppercase stamp set, the small stamping block, 5 practice blanks, and that is what we have here on this particular package. Then you also get these bracelet bending pliers, and they shape the bracelet in curves. I have never done this, so this will be new for me. This is the stamp straight tape to help you put your letters straight. This is the aluminum bracelets. These are small, as you can see, and you will bend them with these pliers. We'll see how easy that is. I don't know. Anyway, so ultimately should come out looking like that. And then you get the antique stamp enamel marker. So it looks like we have everything that we need to get started. So the instructions seem pretty basic. I'll just show you. It says place a blank on the stamping block, hold the stamp flush against the blank, and strike it with medium force on the hammer. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a try. I've wanted to do this for a really long time, and I haven't done it, so I'm going to do it. So to set up my block, I do need to put these spacers, so I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so there is a little film on your little blanks so that they're not scratched. So you would want to put that on here, so you can see that. And then you want to take your tape, and you're going to want to measure off where you want your name or whatever word you're going to put on there. So what I did was attach the tape with the blank to my block so that it doesn't move, which I think that's what you're supposed to do anyway. All right, and then I'm going to take my marker, and I'm going to kind of space out where the letters would go. Okay, so this is my first time at this. I don't know if I'm going to do it right or wrong or what. So I'm taking the N, I'm going to put my name on here, and so it goes like this. And I'm going to put it on right on the tape, the edge of the tape like that. And then it says medium force. And there you go. So there's my N. So then I'm going to try the rest of my letters. Okay, so you can see that I got my name on here. My Y's a little bit wonky, but this is my very first try, so I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing that you do is you take your marker and you rub some ink over it, and then you wipe it off. So we're going to do that. And I started my marker. This is the one that came with the kit. You just push it over like that. Let me see if I can get you a little closer. There we go. And then you just take a paper towel and rub it off. And it gets down in those grooves of the letters. And I could probably do it again to get a little more. And I probably could have hit it a little harder, but not knowing. So we'll just do it that way one more time. Then we'll just wipe it off. And that's pretty cool. I like that. I can't wait to try some more things. I guess I could try a bracelet and show you how it turns out. Okay, so there's my little bracelet. It's not perfect, of course. It's my first try, but I put Be Love. And it wraps around my wrist just fine. And you can see. So pretty cool, fun gift. And I might bend it a little more, but I want it to be easy to get on and off. And I thought, well, that's so fun. So I'm going to have to try my hand at this metal stamping kit some more. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to know if you have ever tried Impress art or either metal stamping. And I'd love to hear what you have to say about metal stamping. This is my first try. I've never done it before, so I'm excited to give it a whirl. So thank you for watching. Until our next video, have a great day, and I hope I've inspired you to create.